discussing about commodities in this video. What is happening in crude oil, gold and silver, everything I will be discussing. What I expect the next week to happen in commodities, what their price action is saying. We'll be discussing each and everything. Let's get straight to the point. Right now the price of crude oil is still pumping towards the upside. It did dump a little bit for a healthy retest. You can clearly see the price of crude oil did a breakout of this important green zone towards the upside, and then it did a retest, and most probably it will pump the next coming week for sure. That's what I expect, but obviously I'm just waiting for the price of crude to go above $65 mark, then only I'll consider taking any short or long trade. But as of now I'm just waiting for the price of crude oil to see what it has to offer, and right now that's pretty much it. I mean, I expect it to pump towards the upside because of this very large dump that happened in the price of crude oil, incessant dump, and let's see what happens next in the price of crude. But I expect to pump it a little bit, and I mean, it's good for me if it goes above $65 mark. At least after that I can trade. Talking about silver now, and nothing much in silver. From my last video that I made, the price action of silver is still the same, only it is pumping towards the upside a little bit, going against my short position trade. I hope you all remember, this is my stop loss and this is my entry price for now. And if the price of silver comes at $39.204 level, then obviously I'll get stopped out, I'll close my full trade. Still I'll end up in profits only. But as of now, nothing much in silver. And what I am expecting next week, well, it is very tricky because no one knows where silver and gold will go. Gold is already very dead in volume, but silver on the other hand, it is pumping towards the upside slowly. So let's see what happens. If I find a new good opportunity in silver in the future to go long or short, then I will definitely do that. But as of now, my short position looks like it will get stopped out soon. So after that, let's just wait for some time. Talking about gold in the end, and I mean nothing much at all. For the past, I would say 6 to 7 commodity special videos that I have made, nothing has happened in the gold. The volume is dead already, and the price is also sideways. Nothing much for now for gold, and let's just wait what will happen soon. Talking about my prediction, that what I predict next week, well, to be honest, no one knows, and I also don't know what will happen with gold because it is just sideways. It is stuck in a sideways market only, and I will take a long and short position in gold only if it pumps towards the upside, like in a straight line parabolically. That will be a risky short for me, but I'll consider taking it. Or else if the price of gold dumps maybe till here or till here, then only I'll enter in a long position, but that depends on the situation. But as of now, nothing much in gold, and to be honest, I also don't know where the price will go from here. So yes guys, this is just a quick, I would say small analysis video on commodities. Right now nothing much in gold and silver. Gold is nothing, I mean just sideways market, no volume, so it is very hard to predict gold, as well as very hard to predict silver also, because it is slowly pumping towards the upside, which is very good. But next week, very hard to predict on silver also, because gold and silver are correlated with each other. When gold pumps, silver also pumps, but right now in this case gold is stuck and silver is slowly pumping, so it is kind of very stuck. And plus the technical analysis on silver also right now is nothing, I would say it is not at all highlighting anything that will the price go towards the upside or down. But for crude, definitely I'm expecting it to pump the next week, because I've already told you the important green zone, it has done a breakout with a very good retest, so I expect it to pump towards the upside. And personally it will be very good for me if it crosses the $65 mark, because for me it is just personally a benchmark. I expect the crude to be less uncertain when it is above $65 mark. So yeah, if it is below 65, I'm not taking any trade, just waiting and watching the price, where it will go, where it will end up. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's commodity video. And do comment below what do you guys think. If you want to share your own analysis, you can do that as well. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.